Hi guys, welcome back to my channel In Sync with Shreya. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazingly well. It's been a while that I've posted a video. I'm back with a new video. Today I'll take you to two nice places around Bangalore where you can go and eat or have a good time with your friends. The first place that we are going to is Rasta Cafe on Mysore Road. Like you must have seen, my friend Chiku's dog is with us, Togo. We're taking him. It's a pet-friendly cafe on Mysore Highway. It is pretty famous in Bangalore and has been the crowd puller for the longest time. It is open 24/7, so that is a very good thing. However, there is a night curfew at Bangalore from 11 in the night to 5 in the morning. So be mindful of that. Other than that, it's a wonderful place to go to hang out with friends, family, whoever. They do not sell liquor, of course, because it is situated on the highway. However, they do offer hookah and they have nice combos that they offer with the hookah. So that's a good thing that you can go and try. It's a nice place. You can take your own games, card games, board games, whatever, and spend a nice quality time there with your friends. Stay tuned to see how the place is and what all we did there. So like you can see, this is the entrance. When you enter straight on Mysore Highway, you have to go a little while and then take a U-turn. And the entrance is a little chaotic because there's some construction work going on for the metro, I think. And that is why you will have to be mindful of the entrance. It is pretty dark after sunset, so be mindful of that. Try to reach there before sunset so that you have light and you can understand the entrance to the cafe. Also, the road is not very nice, so be careful while driving on it. They have a huge parking area, so car parking will not be an issue at all. The area is huge. If you have pets, do get your pets along because they can have a wonderful time there. They can run around, which is, it's very difficult in Bangalore in all our small houses and no places to move around, and there's too much traffic in the road, so our pets do not get a chance to run freely. This is a place where you can take your pets and let them have a gala time as well. The place has nice photo op walls where you can stand and get your grams. They have nice graffitis done on the walls, so you can get your Instagram pictures there. The place, as you've seen, is relatively empty. It is very, very empty, to be precise. The sanitizers are present at all the entrances and there's ample of space, so social distancing won't be a problem. And it's an open area, so there's no problem at all. Like you can see, I've already shown you around. It's a nice, spacious place. Let's see what all we eat and I'll keep you posted. Finally back after a lovely evening. Our dog Togo also had a wonderful time. It's a nice pet-friendly place. They're maintaining all the safety measures possible. It's a big, large, spacious place. So if you want to go on a drive for a little while and
eat a little bit and come back, it's a perfect place for you.
But there is no beer.
Yes, there's no alcohol. We were not aware. Everyone is generally aware because it's a highway. Obviously, on highway restaurants you cannot sell liquor, so it is not available. But otherwise, you can have a coffee, you can have some things to eat and come back. The food is good. We had pizza. The pizza was pretty good. Also, they serve hookah, and they are lighting up the hookah with the help of a balloon inflator. So they're not using them out because of obviously COVID reasons and all of that. Everybody's a little scared about ordering a hookah, but they're using all the safety measures possible in preparing a hookah. So that's a very good thing that I saw. Also, it's a lovely place so you can go and hang out for a bit because obviously we're all stuck at home. So keeping all the safety measures in mind, it's a lovely place to be. We had a good time. Hope people enjoyed the vlog.
So up next, I'll take you to Iron Hill, which is located at Marathahali. It is the world's biggest microbrewery, and it has been awarded that ever since it has opened in March, I think March or April of 2021. It is the world's biggest, so that's something to be really proud of. The place is nice, the ambience is lovely, as you guys can see. It is a huge place. It has a lot of water features and all of that. But again, Bangalore weather, as you already know, is a spoiled spot, and it starts raining at the drop of a hat. So every evening there's rain in Bangalore. We faced it too. We couldn't sit outside. We had to be seated in the building that they have. And for view, we had to get up from our seats and go to the balcony and see whatever we could see. But yes, I'd suggest go around a time when there's no sign of rain so that you can enjoy the beautiful ambience that they offer. However, the building is also pretty nice. It is pretty spacious. There is no risk of corona because it is very spacious and spaced out, so no one is sitting on top of each other. That's a very good thing. Coming to the liquor that they serve, it is not bad. I won't say it is excellent and above everyone else in Bangalore, but I have had better. For the food, you can see we had a platter, a non-veg Conti platter, I think what it was called. It was priced at $7.99 without GST, of course. And it wasn't as good. The taste wasn't bad, but the quantity, I think, for the price was pretty less. We also had a pizza, which I forgot to take shots of, but the pizza was really good. The place is nice. I would recommend everyone to go there once at least. However, I will also give you a warning. The place is always very overcrowded. So I would suggest try avoiding the weekends. If you can go on a weekday, I think it'll be a better experience for you because you'll get better seats, you'll get quicker entry and all of that. So please be mindful of that. Weekends are a mess. You won't get proper seats. You won't get the ones that you would really like to sit at. Here you can see the parking area. They offer a valet service. So you just have to go and give your car keys. They'll park your car and they'll bring it out once you return the token.
Till then, here's signing off. Be kind, stay happy.